Hi, I'm Susan Westmoreland, Culinary Director at Good Housekeeping, and today I'm going to show you two different potato salads. We know everybody has a favorite, and I'd love to know if you're in the creamy or the tangy camp. Pick your favorite. One of the issues with potato salad is sometimes it just gets a little too mushy. So the way you can stop this is to cut the potatoes into even-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Another watch point for potato salad is, how do you know the potatoes are done? So what you want to do is use either the tip of a paring knife or a toothpick and just pierce the potato all the way through. If it goes through easily, drain them and dress them. For the most flavorful potato salad, you want to dress the potatoes while they're hot because that's when they really will absorb all of the flavors. The secret ingredient in our potato salad is chopped dill pickles. They add a bit of pop and crunch and a little bit of acidity that really brightens what could be a bland, creamy potato salad. Let the potato salad cool before you add any veggies or herbs because we don't want those to wilt. You can eat the potato salad as soon as it's cool, but if you refrigerate it for a few hours, the flavors actually melt and get better, and you can do that up to a day ahead. This tangy potato salad has lots of options, and one of the ways you can switch it up is to change the vinegar. You can use tarragon, you can use champagne, you can even use sherry vinegar. The radishes add a lot of crunch to this salad, so we want to make sure that you cool the potatoes before you toss them in. Thanks for joining us. For more recipes and tips, check out goodhousekeeping.com.